Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today for day 12 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm so excited about this one because I have no idea what it is. A few of you guessed. You said maybe iron like plate, which I thought was a really good guess. Some people thought a template, but I have no idea. And I can't wait to find out. So let's see if anybody was right. Here we go. You all knew. Oh my goodness. It is. It's a plate like for your, it's a silicone, whatever, matte plate. I don't know what you want to call it, for your iron. This is really nice. Quilt while the iron is hot. I love it. So it is branded by Missouri Star Quilt Company, but it's super useful. You guys are so smart. I didn't even think of this, but you know, there it is where it's shaped like a house. I suppose it could be a surfboard template. You could use it for a surfboard template. That would be actually really cute. Anyway, this is it. This is a really great gift. You guys are smart and to think of this. Ooh, I love this. This is a great item. Useful. Okay, so I am going to guess the next day. I'm going to guess day 13. I'm warning you. I'm putting up my warning signs. All right. Here it is. Here it is. All right. It feels sort of like a pattern, but it's smaller than a pattern. Maybe it's a mini pattern. It's bendy, crinkly. I'm not sure what this is. Any guesses? I don't know. I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. Maybe it is another pattern. That'd be kind of cool. Looks like mine was opened and taped again. I had a few like that. It's not very straight. But that's okay. You know what? They had to put a lot of these together. I'm sure it wasn't easy. All right, let's talk about the birds. So I started making them and I didn't care for it. But then it kind of grew on me and it got to be a lot of fun, and I think I might have a new hobby. I saw on Jenny's unboxing where they had some tips with this. They helped a lot. I also saw that her birds weren't necessarily done on both sides. So I thought, well, I'm going to do that. And then I did a very bad job at embroidering the year on one of these. This one I didn't do that with. And the kit makes 4 birds. I'm gonna make more, I think, because they are fun and I'm really enjoying them. I like working with the red, the white on red, I guess, better because red on white, sometimes the fuzzies from the felt wool or whatever this is kind of get into the white and you have to kind of pick them out with some tweezers. That was kind of a pain. They came to life when you stuffed them, and then the hanger was a pain in the neck to get on and I didn't use their instructions. So I don't know. I'm going to add more details to the other ones. If I get them done, I'll show you, but they were a lot of fun and they are super duper cute. I'm hooked on this craft. If anybody does this, please let me know good places to buy the stuff, because this felt is like thicker than what you think of as felt. And it said something about wool felt. So I don't know if there's wool in it. I don't know. It's really nice though, and the supplies were great. I'm pricing this surprisingly at $20 because when I went out to look for kits like this, they were like $20. Some were $30, some were $15, but it looked like they were a little bit smaller of kits. I was shocked at the price of these. With the $20 evaluation of this, it brings our grand total to $162.95, leaving $17 as a balance. And it looks like we're on track just like we were around last year. I was surprised by that too. I would say the next gift or two, probably, well, what do you think? This thing's heavy duty. I don't know what these go for, I'll have to look. I'd say at least 10, right? So I'd say we're really close to breaking even. I don't know. We'll see. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.